collapsed, and now we're going to think about what information we can capture about the movie. And, you know, obviously we want the movie name. And so we want to capture the name of the movie. And, I don't know, maybe the rating, you know, just the basic stuff, and then maybe the length in minutes. So, you know, all kinds of fields we could capture about the movie. We might capture the director. I'm just going to put dir because I'm out of room. And then what important piece of information do I also want to include in my relational databases, the data related to movies, right? We're just kind of like, there's all this data. The way I picture it in my head is like, okay, here's all the data we need to store, and I just need to sort it and put it into piles of related data. Oh, this piece of data, right, customer review about movies, that's going to be probably over at the movies area, right? This credit card, oh, that goes with customers. Like, I'm taking all these pieces of data and putting it into related piles or tables. So, name, rating, length, and that reminds me I need to tell you about the database hierarchy. We'll do that in a second. I'm just making a note like, oh yeah, I'll tell you that. So, what field? Crucial. Absolutely important. Angel's got it that you have to include in every pile of related data or every table. You've got it. Darren's got it. Darren, right?
Yes.
Cool. Oh, what is it?
Oh, a unique ID.
Unique ID, right? So we're going to have an ID here. And that's just going to allow us to uniquely identify every record in a database. So there's a database of United States citizens. There's more than one Todd McLeod in that database. Another one of the Todd McLeods is a rock star in Long Beach. Not super famous, obviously. You've never heard of him. So maybe it's just a musician's a better way. You're a star, you know of him. But, right, like, so how does the government know when this Todd McLeod sends in his taxes, the teacher, versus Todd McLeod, the musician in Long Beach? How's the government distinguish them? There's a unique ID that I have to put on my taxes when I send it in. What is that unique ID? Social Security number. Uniquely identifies every entry in the database. Uniquely identifies every record in the table of United States citizens. So you want to be able to uniquely identify every entry in every table every time. Every table is going to have a unique ID. Every entry, every record will have a unique ID. Okay? You never create a table without a unique ID. That's a big takeaway. That's such a big takeaway, that's like the subject of one video. Every table has a unique ID. Cool, so we got movies, we got customers, and then we're going to do rentals next.